Welcome to Ask Prep, your trusted companion for NEET and JEE preparation. Today we will study about a very important topic of biology, which is structural organization in animals, animal tissues, frog anatomy. Let's begin with the concept of tissues in animals. Just like in plants, cells in animals that perform the same function are grouped together to form tissues. Animal tissues are classified into four major types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Each of these tissues plays a specific role in the body, and together, they form the building blocks of all organ systems. Epithelial tissue covers the body surfaces and lines internal cavities and organs. It forms the outer layer of the skin, the lining of the mouth, the stomach, blood vessels, and even the inner walls of glands. The cells in epithelial tissue are tightly packed and form a continuous sheet with minimal intercellular spaces. This tissue is mainly involved in protection, absorption, secretion, and excretion. It is further classified based on shape and the number of layers of cells. For instance, squamous epithelium is flat and thin, cuboidal epithelium has cube-like cells, columnar epithelium has tall and pillar-like cells, and ciliate epithelium has hair-like projections called cilia that help in movement of materials. Next, we have connective tissue, which, as the name suggests, connects and supports various body parts. It has the most diverse types of tissues in the body. One of the most important connective tissues is blood, which is a fluid connective tissue that transports oxygen, nutrients, and hormones throughout the body. Another key connective tissue is bone, which is hard and provides structural support and protection to vital organs. Cartilage is softer than bone and is found in joints, the ear, nose, and respiratory tract. Ligaments connect bones to other bones, while tendons connect muscles to bones. Areolar tissue is a loose connective tissue found beneath the skin, between organs, and around blood vessels, providing flexibility and cushioning. The third major type is muscular tissue. It is responsible for movement in the body. Muscles are made up of long, cylindrical cells called muscle fibers that can contract and relax. There are three types of muscular tissues: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Skeletal muscles are attached to bones and help in voluntary movement. These muscles are striated and multinucleated. Smooth muscles are involuntary and found in the walls of internal organs such as the stomach and intestines. They are non-striated and uninucleate. Cardiac muscles are found only in the heart and are responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. They are striated, branched, and have intercalated discs to allow synchronized contraction. Now that we have understood the basic tissues in animals, let us move on to the anatomy of the frog, which serves as a model organism in biology due to its similarities with higher vertebrates. Frogs belong to the class Amphibia. They live both on land and in water. They are cold-blooded and their skin is moist and glandular, which helps in cutaneous respiration. Frogs are dioecious, meaning they have separate sexes, and they undergo external fertilization followed by metamorphosis. The external features of a frog include a streamlined body with a distinct head, trunk, and no neck or tail in adults. The eyes are prominent and have nictitating membranes that protect them underwater. Frogs also have tympanum, which is an external eardrum used for hearing. They have four limbs. The hind limbs are long and muscular for leaping and swimming, while the forelimbs are short and used for support. Each foot is webbed to assist in swimming. The respiratory system in frogs is quite unique. They can respire through their skin, lungs, and buccal cavity. In water, skin respiration is most prominent. On land, they use their lungs, which are simple sac-like structures. During hibernation and estivation, skin respiration becomes the main mode. Circulation in frogs is carried out by a three-chambered heart, two atria and one ventricle. Blood is mixed oxygenated and deoxygenated, but due to the structure of the heart and timing of contractions, the mixing is minimized. Blood vessels carry blood to and from various organs. The heart is protected by a pericardial membrane and is located in the upper part of the trunk. The nervous system in frogs includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain is divided into the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. The forebrain includes olfactory lobes and the cerebrum, which controls smell and voluntary actions. The midbrain controls vision, and the hindbrain includes the cerebellum and medulla oblongata, which coordinate movement and control basic life functions. The reproductive system in frogs is also well defined. Males have testes that produce sperm, and females have ovaries that produce eggs. During the breeding season, frogs undergo external fertilization in water. The female lays eggs which are fertilized by the male sperm. These eggs develop into tadpoles, which gradually undergo metamorphosis to become adult frogs. The endocrine system in frogs consists of glands like the pituitary, thyroid, and adrenal glands. These glands secrete hormones that regulate growth, metabolism, reproduction, and other essential body functions. Frogs also have well-developed sense organs: eyes for vision, tympanum for hearing, olfactory organs for smell, and skin that can detect temperature and changes in the environment. These organs help them survive in their dual aquatic and terrestrial habitat. To conclude, understanding animal tissues and the anatomy of frogs is fundamental to mastering structural organization in animals. Animal tissues form the basis of all organs and organ systems, while the frog serves as a classic example to study anatomy and physiology. For NEET and JEE aspirants, this chapter is not only about recognizing tissues and labeling diagrams but about comprehending how structure supports function. Every tissue type, every organ system is part of a larger biological design that allows animals to survive, adapt, and evolve. Thank you so much for being a part of the Ask Prep community. We truly appreciate your time and dedication to learning, especially when it comes to mastering biology, a subject that's not only essential for exams like NEET and JEE. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are also preparing, and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update.